Your complete IGCSE work depends on numbers. So if you will be good in numbers, then make sure your work will be easy for you to complete further work. So that's why I'm trying to do almost every single thing that you have to use later on. All right. Now, in conversion, we have to learn how to convert from one unit to another unit. In your junior level, obviously, you learn from unit conversion from basic units to another unit. Like if I talk about, I'm starting with the kilometer. Kilo mean, if we use the word kilo, kilo stands for thousand. It means if I'm saying kilometer, so 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters. In 1 kilometer, there are 1,000 meters. In the same way, in 1 meter, there are 100 centimeters. But sometimes we need to use decimeter as well, especially in your chemistry. You use the decimeter unit, so that's why you should know about the decimeter as well. In decimeter, you can say 1 meter is equal to 10 decimeters, and also 1 decimeter is equal to 10 centimeters, and 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. So at least you should know the conversion till this level. In the same way, for the conversion of metric units, like for the mass, because we have to take the conversion of the units for the length. These are the units for the length. Okay, these are the units for the length, and if we have to take the units for the mass. Now, talking about the unit for mass, we have kilogram. 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 gram, and then 1 gram is equal to 1,000 milligram. That will be for the mass. For the time, because three metric units we have to use: length, mass, and time. For time, the units, keep in mind, we will have basically year, even day, all these are units of the time. But remember, in one day, there are 24 hours. In 1 hour, for hour, if I will use for hour, I will use only h. Okay. So 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. And for 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. These are some units for the time. But the real issue comes when you have to convert from one unit to another unit. So first, in most of the cases, you need to use the units for the length. Let's talk about the units for the length, how we will use them. Okay, remember this stair. I always recommend the student to remember the stair, because the stair will help you to remember the conversion units for the length. On the top of it, write kilometer, then write meter, then write decimeter, then write centimeter, and here write millimeter. All right. To convert from kilometer to meter, you have to multiply with 1000. In the same way, to convert from meter to decimeter, you have to multiply with 10. To convert from decimeter to centimeter, you have to multiply with 10. And to convert from centimeter to millimeter, multiply with 10. To do opposite, for example, if you have to convert from millimeter to centimeter, to go back, to change from millimeter to centimeter, you need to divide by 10. To change from centimeter to decimeter, again divide by 10. For example, when you are coming from centimeter to millimeter, you are multiplying with 10. But now changing from millimeter to centimeter, you will do opposite, you will divide by 10. In the same way, to convert from decimeter to centimeter, you need to multiply from decimeter to centimeter with 10. So from centimeter to decimeter, divide by 10. In the same way, to change from meter to decimeter, you need to multiply with 10. So from decimeter to meter, you need to divide with 10. From kilometer to meter, you need to multiply with 1000. So from meter to kilometer, you need to divide by 1000. Okay, now sometime it will happen, you need to convert directly. For example, you need to convert kilometer into decimeter directly. It's very easy. If you remember the first stair, then the other stair will be very easy. Look, 1000 this and 10 this. So total will become 10,000. Means 30 this, 10 this, 40. So 10,000. So you need to multiply with 10,000 to convert from kilometer to decimeter directly. In the same way, if you have to convert from kilometer to centimeter directly, because sometimes you need this also. So what you will do, look, from kilometer to centimeter is coming 1000, then 10, then another 10. So mean it will become, you need to multiply with 100,000 if you are converting from kilometer to centimeter. In the same way, sometime you will see you need to convert from kilometer to millimeter directly. So to do so, you will come directly from here to here. Now between that are 6 zeros coming, so you can say directly multiply with 1 million. So this will be the rule for conversion from kilometer to meter. Okay. Now, in the similar way, sometimes you need to convert from meter to decimeter already 10. Okay. From meter to centimeter, sometimes you need to convert. Sometimes you need to convert from meter to centimeter. So look, between that, 1 and 2 zeros are coming. So you need to multiply with 1000. Okay. You will multiply, I will write it here. You need to multiply with 1000. In the same way, from meter to millimeter directly, because sometimes you need to convert from meter to millimeter directly. So look, 10, 20, 30, and 3 zeros are with 1000. So you need to multiply with 1000. That will be the rule. Now to go back, you will just use opposite of that one, mean you will divide. Please make sure you understood these conversions, because if you understood this square method, then the other will be quite easy for you. Okay. These were simple linear where we were converting from 1 meters to centimeter is 100. So what did I write? From meter to centimeter. Yeah, thank you. Thank you very much. It is hundreds. Thanks for if sometime if any writing mistake happens, so please let me know. Thank you, Afif.
Welcome, sir.
Okay. Is it clear, please? Anyone have any question about these conversion, basic conversions? So remember this.
No, sir.
Okay. Now let's move to, because my focus will be centimeter units, length units, sorry. All right. Now next is, in case of area and in case of volume, in case of area, we always write unit square, and in case of volume, we write cubic units. Yes. So how we will convert it in that case? For example, if you have to convert from kilometer square into meter square, then how we will do the conversion? I'm never in favor of memorization. So you should focus on the method, how you will do that. You know that if you have to convert 1 kilometer into meter, what's the rule? Here we write right from kilometer to meter multiply by 1000. Yes. Okay. Multiply by 1000. But if you are making kilometer square to meter square, then the number of zeros you will just double, because Before it was kilometer to meter. Now you are actually writing kilometer into another kilometer, then meter into another meter. So that's why it will become kilometer square to meter square. So simply if you are doing from kilometer square to meter square, then double the zeros. Mean it will become 6 zeros, 1 million. Okay. In the same way, if you have to convert back from meter square to kilometer square, you will divide by 1 million. Okay. So this will help you. In the same way, look, to convert, how do you convert from meter to centimeter? We multiply with 100, yes. But if you have to convert meter square into centimeter square, then double the number of zeros. That will be the rule for. In the same way, we know that to convert kilometer to meter, we multiply with 1000, yes. So what if I have to make kilometer cube to meter cube? Because sometimes we need to use these units as well. So in that case, you will triple the number of zeros. Mean will become 9 zeros now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, if you have 9 zeros, you can write it 10 to the power 9 also. Okay. So I can make a result for kilometer square to meter square. You can say multiply with 1 million. 1 million, if you write in the standard form, is 10 to the power 6. Okay. And if you are converting from kilometer cube into meter cube, then it is 10 to the power 9. Okay. But the basic thing you understood already. Again, so I would recommend you to note down these things because these will be helpful for you to remember all that. Okay, let me move to the next rule. If you understood this, please make sure everybody understood this one. Sam, you joined late. Make sure you understood. Silence mean you agree with me, you understood.
Yes, it's clear.
Yeah, okay. Now let's see. In the same way, if I have a reason for late coming, okay, accept, doesn't matter. Try to be on time because you know the real enjoyment of the lesson and real understanding of the lesson is in few earlier minutes. So never be late in the class. That is why I sometimes wait for all to join and then start. Okay, coming back to the stair once again, I need here the stair once again. You can remember the stair for convergence from one unit to another unit. Let's suppose if I have to convert from centimeter to millimeter, we multiply with 10, yes? So what if you have to convert from centimeter square to millimeter square? Then you will double the number of zeros, mean it will become 100. In the same way, if you have to convert from millimeter square to centimeter square, so then you will divide by 100. In the same way, from meter to decimeter, as per the rule is multiply with 10. So what if you have to convert from meter square to decimeter square? You should double the number of zeros. In the same way, if you have to convert from centimeter to millimeter, is the rule is multiply with 10. So what if centimeter cube to millimeter cube? You need to triple the number of zeros. It will become like this one. So in this way, you can remember how to convert from one unit to another unit for the length. Okay. Now let's do few practical examples where you will understand how to convert them. Let's begin. I have 5,000 centimeters square. I need to convert it into meter square. This is first example. In the second example, I have 300 meter square and I need to convert it into kilometer square. I have 15 kilometer square and I want to convert it into centimeter square. Okay. Example number 4 is I have 150 millimeter square and I want to convert it into centimeter square. Okay, let's do this. So all that conversion you will be able to understand. This is centimeter square. Always look at the unit. From which unit to which unit you want to convert. We have centimeter square and we want to convert it into meter square. So how we will do that? How we will convert centimeter square into meter square? You forget the rule, doesn't matter. Remember the stair method. You know that to convert from meter to centimeter, we need to multiply with 100. And to convert from centimeter to meter, we need to divide by 100. Now, in this case, if from centimeter square to meter square, okay, centimeter square to meter square, so double the number of zeros. Make them 4 zeros. So just multiply this 5,000 with 10,000. It will, sorry, divide with 10,000. So it will convert. That's it. Now write 5,000 divided with 10,000. So it will become 0.5. So just 0.5 meters square. We did this conversion. Now next is we have to convert from meter square to kilometer square. Okay, remember the rule from kilometer to meter. To change from kilometer to meter, we need to multiply with 1000. So to change from meter to kilometer, we need to divide with 1000. Now in this case is square. We are converting from meter square to, so we will double the number of zeros. Mean in this case 3 more zero, in this case 3 more zeros. So as I'm converting from here to here, so I should use this one. Mean divide with 1 million. This is 1 million. 6 zeros are for 1 million. So 300 divided by 1 million. It's, you can write it in this form also, 3 into 10 to the power minus 4. Or you can let it be in this form. Okay. So it's your choice. You can write 3 into 10 to the power minus 4. We convert it. Now next is kilometer square to centimeter square. As per stair method, if you remember, this is kilometer, meter, decimeter, and here is centimeter. Yes, kilometer, meter, decimeter, then centimeter. Okay, 1000, 10, and 10. But I want to come directly. Yes, I want to come directly. So 30 these 4 5 yani 100,000. So it means to convert from kilometer to centimeter, it's multiply with 100,000. 100,000 mean 10 to the power 5. If I write 100,000, I can shortly write it 10 to the power 5 because there are 5 zeros. So okay, multiply with 10 to the power 5 if I have to convert from. Now in the case if, and from centimeter to kilometer, divide by 10 to the power 5. Now right now I have to convert from kilometer square to centimeter square, so I will double them. Mean right now I'm having 10 power 5, so I should make it 10 power 10. Okay, so it will become 10 power 10. So 15 into 10 power 10. So right now I will write 15 into 10 power 10, because writing 10 zeros is very difficult on calculator, so that's why I write it in the standard form. So it will give you in the 1.5 into 10 to the power 11. We did the conversion. Now from millimeter square to centimeter square, first look at this. We know if we have to convert after centimeter is millimeter, yes? We need to multiply by 10, and to go back we need to divide by 10, yes? So it means I can say from centimeter to millimeter, we need to multiply by 10. From millimeter to centimeter, we need to divide by 10. Now it's centimeter square, so we will double the zeros. So double the zeros mean from millimeter square to centimeter square, I need to divide by 100. So divide this by 100, you will get your result. 150 divided by 100 is 1.5. So that is understood. So look, if you remember the basic one, it will be very easy to convert the square unit or cubic unit or any power unit. Please make sure it's clear, so then I should give you some example for you to solve. Okay, let's see. Question number 1 is, you have to convert it into meter square. Number 2 is, you have to convert it into centimeter square. Number 3 is, meter square, you have to convert it into kilometer square. Number 4 is, you have to convert it into centimeter square. Okay, let's do it, please. Do these 5 examples, convert them. Yeah, so number 5 is 5.367, or yes, Mohammed, for number 5 it is 5.367. Clearly, the decimal point is very visible.
Sir, I've finished.
Finished? Okay.
Yes.
Good. What about others? Who else finished?
So I didn't finish. I'm doing.
Yes, Basira, what about you? Varisha, Basira, Rahul. Let me know if you finish. Okay, all right. All right, good. Who else
And
finished?
sir,
Time, what
complete.
about you? All right, let's see. Let's see, we are converting from kilometer square to meter square. We have to convert from kilometer square to meter square. So what we need to do, come to the rule from kilometer to meter. What is the rule for kilometer to meter? We multiply with 1000, yes? And in this case, it's kilometer square to meter square, so double the number of zeros. 3 zeros, so make 6 zeros. And 6 zeros, we write 10 to the power 6. So use the calculator. Take 1020 multiply with 10 to the power 6, mean 1 million. So you will get that one. You can write it, by the way, in the scientific notation also. Here there is a button that we can convert directly, or just write this one. I mean, with this one, just you can write 6 more zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or you can write it in the standard form, 1.02 into 10 to the power. It will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You can write it in this way also. Now we have to convert from meter square to centimeter square. Can you please rejoin the link, because only 2 minutes left, so better rejoin the link. Everyone please rejoin the link.
Okay.